All right, so today you're going to be working on reading treble clef. So far, we've been pretty focused on reading rhythms, and that will definitely be a part of your test in a couple weeks. But I also wanted to get you started on reading pitch, and that is really important with reading the treble clef. And so you should have a packet, or you'll be getting a packet soon that has 4 pages in it. And it's actually kind of in the wrong order. You'll probably want to start with the third page, which is right here, because this tells you about each line and each space. So if you go to page 3, once you have your packet, it shows you that the lines are E, G, B, D, F. Every good boy does fine, like that. And then the spaces spell F-A-C-E. And so that's just a really good way to remember what it is in order. Here you can see, again, this is the last page, so it's kind of all in the backwards order than it should be. Sorry about that. This page shows you it's just alphabetical. Every line and every space gets a letter. So like if we start right here at letter A on the second space, it just goes in order. A, B, C, D, E, F. And then when you go down the staff, it goes backwards. A, G, F, E. It goes backwards. But there's only 7 letters. The only 7 letters you have in the musical alphabet are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And then after G, so here's E, F, G. After G, it starts over at A. And so it just goes like that. But you can see you have every good boy does fine, and then F-A-C-E. So those tools that they're showing you here are just really good ways of remembering the lines, every good boy does fine, and the spaces, F-A-C-E. And a really cool thing is the word face rhymes with space. So if you remember F-A-C-E for space, it rhymes, so that's pretty cool. And then if you can remember this sentence, every good boy does fine, it helps you remember E, G, B, D, F. There are other sentences you could remember. You could remember every girl buys designer fashion, or every good boy deserves fudge. So there are other sentences you could learn as well if you want. And so then what you're doing is you're just looking at each note. So like right here it says write each note name underneath. So here we write F because it's the top line. Fourth line E B D E G B D. So that's D. Or you can just think every good boy. That's B. Every good boy does fine. So that's F. And so you're just writing right below it. Write F D B F. And then that's what you're doing for that part. Here you're doing the spaces. So you're doing first space is F. Second space, like it shows you here, is A. First space again, just like the beginning here, is like this one. So that's again F. And here you have to think about the third space. F, A, C. So the third space is C. So you'd write a C right there. So that's what you're doing in this packet. Here it also has you practice writing treble clefs, because the treble clef is what tells you that it's every good boy does fine in face. Sometimes you see a bass clef here, and that has different notes, but you don't have to worry about those notes right now, just those. And then the first couple pages are all words. So here they spelled out the word bed, B, every good boy, every good boy does. So B-E-D, it spells a word. Here, every good boy, so that would be a B here. And then it's a space, so F-A. So now it's an A. So now we have B-A. And then every good, so that's G. So that spells the word B-A-G, bag. So that's what you're doing. The first 2 pages have words that it spells out. And then these 2 pages kind of explain things. And that's what your work is to do today. If you don't finish it in class, which I don't think anyone will finish all of it, then you want to finish it for homework. All right. Good luck. Bye-bye.